Brightness. Powerful 120-watt LED light bar, high-quality LED chips and clear PC lens. This LED pod emits 6000 K pure white light. Effectively light up the dark road during night. Combo beam. Appropriate combination of spot beam and flood beam for widespread and further distance illumination. Sliding mounting bracket. The sturdy bracket can firmly fix the light bar. Quakeproof when passing through rugged terrain. Better heat dissipation. Special designed 6063 aluminum profile with thermal grease can improve the heat dissipation ability. Superior quality wire. 16 Aruban fluorines with 2 leads connector wire. Has awesome flexibility and great electrical conductivity, as well as high temperature melting resistance. Fit type. Universal fit. Specification. LED power. 120W. 40 by 3W high intensity LED. Beam pattern. Spot flood combo beam input voltage. 9 to 30 volts DC. Fits 12 volts. 24 volts vehicles. Working lifespan. Over 30,000 hours working temperature. -40 to 85 degrees Celsius LED color temperature. Pure white 6000K 6500K material. 6063 aluminum alloy profile. High quality LED chips. PC lens waterproof rate. IP67. Waterproof, dustproof, quakeproof and anti-corrosive. Wiring harness KIT2 leads. 10 feet wiring harness. 2 sets of power connectors to light fixtures. Maximum wattage. 180 W. Max ampere. 15A. Operating voltage. 12 volts DC power applications. Off-road lighting. Jeep. 4x4. Car. ATV. UTV. SUV. Truck. Trailer. Forklift. Train. Boat. Bus. Outdoor lighting, etc. Other lighting. Excavator. Dozer. Road roller. Crane. Tractor. Harvester. Grain drill. Snowplow. Fire engine. Rescue vehicle. Mining lighting. Construction lighting, etc. Household lighting. Garden, backyard, garage, indoor lighting. Note: use a voltage transformer converter to convert the AC 110 to 120 volts to District of Columbia 12V for indoor use. Note: they are aftermarket parts. Not DOT approved. Do not use if DOT is required. For off-road use only. Before installing this product, please check your state, provincial and local, municipal laws and regulations. Top reviews from the United States. Worth the money. They are nice and bright, but when put on front bumper the brackets don't have enough adjustment, but I got them to work just fine.